0700 hours this morning, in possession of a rare crystal needed to reconstruct a new full-scale M drive.
Which would prevail a gravity tractor to the asteroid in time to divert it. It's a bold move, Harris, and done without my advice or my authorization.
Sometimes it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission. You taught me that, sir.
It's only better if you get results.
And we did, ma'am. We narrowly beat the Russians to that meteorite.
But they can still build an EM drive from the prototype they stole from Kane's Industries, and then use it to launch their own gravity tractor, correct?
Yes, but there's no telling whether they'll be successful.
Or whether they have the same goals as we do.
Whoever launches this thing first will control the outcome. Where are we with Mr. Tance?
He's within days of having a fully functioning M drive.
Good. This is a race we need to win.
Angela, let the President of the United States know we'll be moving forward with the launch as soon as Tance is ready.
The Russians have issued a warning. If we launch anything, they'll shoot it down.
With everything that's happening, sir, it's a credible threat.
And so are we. Let's just hope no one does anything they'll regret.